guys, I have great news for you. First of all, yes, I'm back in Maranello, as you can see. And then I've got a brand new dashcam, and it's the most advanced I've ever seen. I'm talking 4K, HDR, Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, color night vision, sentinel parking mode, and much more. But now, without any further ado, let's go for a quick car spotting session around the town, courtesy of 70 Mai and the amazing Omni 4K. Hey, what is that? An Amalfi! A red Ferrari Amalfi. Not that bad, honestly. Wow, amazing! Oh my god, it's an RS6 ABT. And the color on that, oh my god. No, that was a Testarossa! Ah, come on! Aha, another Purosangue! Hey, Hyundai i20N. Oh, that is a Performante in Verde Mantis. Yeah, I thought I'd get that guy. Amazing car. Capture left. Cause I think I've seen, oh my god, the other Performante, the orange one, and a Portofino, right in front of the factory. No, check it out! A red Purosangue chassis. Finally back to the main gate, and then at the roundabout. Okay, silver 296 GTS. Red calipers, yeah, nothing too crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, the first SF90XX of the day. Wait, that's a yellow 12 cilindri with no camouflage. Well, of course, cause it's a matte yellow paint job. That is definitely a first for me, amazing one. This is gonna be very difficult, but inside that truck there's an SF90XX in white with super bold details. Check it out! I hope you can get to see them on the footage. Oh my god, we have a brand new F80! Check it out! Wow, that is a menacing spec! No! The big truck! Come on! Black Purosangue plus a 296 Assetto Fiorano. Yes, yes indeed. Full black Roma Spider, the boring one, come on. Wait, it's the white SF90XX chassis. See? No, there is no way, another SF90XX. Aha, interesting livery. Wow! The green tape at the back left me a bit confused. That looks like a very old 296 test mule. With things around the body, yes. very dirty blue Purosangue. Definitely needs a good wash all around. Wait, that is another SF90XX. What the hell is going on today with the SF90's XX? Wait, a Purosangue! Also, the blue SF90XX had a very interesting spec. Holy, what a beautiful spec on the 296! Ah, come on! Where was that? Ah, it's gone! But it was British green with the gold wheels. I love that. Another black Purosangue. Oh no, it's dark blue. Yeah, underneath the sun you can definitely see the deep blue. And a V12 GT4 Lusso. It's a rental one, by the way. Come on, there is no way! Another brand new F80! Oh my god! Matte black spec, yellow calipers. And in case you're wondering, that's a bike, not a car. Yo, 296 combo! The test mule at the front and the silver one at the back. 12 cilindri in white. Alright, not bad. But now guys, I think it might be the perfect time to tell you something more about the sponsor of today's video. This beast here, that's now focused on me. I'm not a threat, come on. If you've been following me for quite some time, you already know my good old 70mm Omni. But today I've upgraded it with the brand new 4K Omni and wow, this thing is on another level. 70mm is a global leader in smart dashcams and this new 360 degrees rotating model really shows why. This isn't just a small refresh, it's a massive upgrade. The new 4K Omni features a front 4K Sony STARVIS 2 sensor and a rear Full HD STARVIS 2 camera, giving you complete 360 degrees dual channel coverage. Every angle, front and back, crystal clear, no blind spots, no excuses. The front cam shoots true 4K at 60 FPS, meaning super smooth and ultra detailed footage even at high speeds. Perfect if you need to zoom in on license plates or road signs. And when it gets dark, the 70mm imaging technology really shines. With Make Color Vivid Plus solution, Night Owl Vision and Lumi Vision, your night footage stays bright, colorful and sharp. And not that grainy mess that most dashcam give you. One of my favorite features is the AI Motion Detection 2.0. The 4K Omni doesn't just passively record, it automatically starts recording whether it detects motion while your car is parked. It can rotate 360 degrees around to follow movements around your car, plus the rear cam. So whether someone walks near your car or something happens in the parking lot, it catches everything automagically. Speaking of parking, the Smart Parking Guardian mode is seriously impressive. It detects collision, records time-lapse footage and sends instant alerts to your phone through the 70mm app. And if you had the optional 4G hardwire kit that I quickly installed here, you unlock remote monitoring, GPS tracking and real-time alerts. You can check your car anytime and anywhere. Another crazy upgrade is that now the hardwire kit helps you monitor your car battery in real time and prevents power drain automatically. Super useful. There is also multilingual voice control, crazy convenient for recording specific shots without taking off your hands from the steering wheel. Capture right. Capture left. Take a selfie. Now let's not forget the Wi-Fi 6 connection for lightning fast footage download through the app. Like a 200 megabyte clip takes just a few seconds, wow! And yes, it supports up to half a terabyte of storage, so that you can record continuously for days and even weeks without having to worry about space. Overall, this 70mm 4K Omni is the well-deserved upgrade for my beloved Hyundai. The first gen Omni was already very capable, but now we reach true perfection. It's sharper, smarter and even super convenient, cause Black Friday is coming and 70mm is offering a 20% off discount. How cool is that? So, if you've been thinking about upgrading your setup to a proper high-end dashcam, now it might be the perfect time. Guys, check it out from the link in the pinned comment down below. And now back to Ferraris. Well, big up for the Verde Pallido spec on this big truck. Aha, F244 elettrica, the Full EV prototype. Boring. Watch out, it's a beautiful 296. What did I tell you? Amazing spec. Yes, Speciale! No way! Is that a purple one? Wow! Deep blue Purosangue. Ooh, Amalfi! Yep, definitely. Aha, the Full EV prototype is back. Very quietly, I would say. SF90 XX chassis. Very deep red, beautiful. No, come on, I almost missed the Green Revuelto. This is being benchmarked by Ferrari right now. It's kinda crazy, I know. Still don't trust me, wait for that to get inside the factory. Now! Yo, the F80! Haha, got it! Hey, could that be an Amalfi? A completely uncamouflaged one? Oh yeah, absolutely, with new paint. I mean, it's still a bit camouflage, unfortunately, but at the front it was completely clean. And I must say, that paint looks amazing under the sunshine. Red Amalfi, but most importantly, SF90 XX with the orange details. Aha, blue Corsa I think, with the yellow calipers. Getting darker and darker now, but we have a red Purosangue. And a big truck once again. Check it out, I think. Yes, it's the SF90 XX. Pretty simple spec, but very effective car. And there goes another black Purosangue, kinda loud if you ask me. Check out this Purosangue combo, the blue one and the white one. Another round, another SF90 XX. Yes, sir! Crazy one! Wow, 208 turbo. Oh, finally, the first F80 is back! That is amazing! Guys, as you can probably see, sun is going down. And we should have the last one, this white Purosangue with some yellow details. And a 296, so the Purosangue was not the last one. And that's it, guys. It got dark super quickly here. But I'm not complaining at all, because we got to see two brand new F80s, I think 3 different SF90s XX. Why you have to be this loud? Anyway, as I was saying, F80s, SF90s XX, brand new Amalfi, the 296 Speciale, a couple interesting specs, what else could you possibly want? Now, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video and the cars on the road. Maybe this giallo Monte Carlo 12 cilindri. And with that said, see you guys in a few days.